Hi, and welcome back to part 4 of my kitchen makeover. Previously, I degreased and cleaned the backsplash and gave it 2 coats of white paint. The plug sockets got a coat of aged gold and we called it good. Now it's on to the kitchen cabinets. As always, the first step is a good preparation. I am removing every door and drawer possible. These two I will degrease and give a good scrub. This should take me the better part of a day, as I don't think this kitchen has ever seen the wet side of a sponge. Since I'm trying to save a little bit of time and feeling particularly lazy, I am washing off the doors with the garden hose. I know this is particle board and loads of water is, let's say, counterproductive. But we have already established that my care is limited to this lasting a year or two max, so it'll have to deal. It's also pretty warm here, so it will dry in a jiffy. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Once everything is dry, I give it a good scuff sand with 120 grit sandpaper. This is to give my primer something to stick to later on. I'm also taping off the integrated poles, as I want to spray them with the same color as the plug sockets. I did not sand those, as this paint is supposed to adhere without issues. Little spillovers are easily wiped off with some mineral spirits. I repeat the process on the kitchen drawers and base pieces I could not remove. And that will be pretty much it for the day. Tomorrow I will prime everything with a coat or two, depending on coverage. That I will have to decide then, as all the products here are new to me and it's a matter of trial and error. So I hope to see you again here soon for the next step in my kitchen saga. Bye bye!